Got a list like shit, bomb ass nigga. What the fuck is you talking about? You get your goddamn.
Nasty bitch, I don't know how the fuck you jump on my tail, you little nasty ass nigga. Put your little bitch ass up, you dirty bitch.
Oh wow, dumb ass nigga. Like you saying, Chris Ross, I was like squeezing your titty nigga. I'm crazy in the back here, booty cheek, booty clap, nigga. Cool, nigga, to your ass cheeks, nigga. You heard it so. Nigga, I got a couple niggas in the back, you ain't gonna do the whipping, and they got a woman to your face, nigga. You ugly shit, bitch. You cannot pack. Dumb ass nigga, you ugly. So like I want blazing shit. I just stupid, I bitch. You like Timberland, play with a boosie face. Bomb ass nigga. Man, got my phone, I say you never call like shit again. She was on AT&T, and I cut, baby, cut, decline, cause I watch her to get way more 16. Bomb ass nigga, what the fuck? Nigga, you get broke from my RTG in the back of the 7 million bus station. Bitch ass nigga, you ugly. Saw my mama cut. What the fuck are you talking about? Stinky back ass nigga, them dirty ass soundboards. Nigga, every time you cut the soundboard, nigga, your feet are break, nigga, your feet are bad as shit. You got all type of finger sweat on your keyboard like shit. You cannot talk to me, dumb ass nigga, big bad ass nigga. Humpy dumpy crack his ass on it. Dumb ass nigga, your mama's an old ass hooker. Why for that bitch up sorry? Okay,
once in your worthless life, and you stand your stand trying to teach you some civil responsibility. Let's have it. What? The $40 you took out of you, that stupid keyboard crap! Now clean up this mess or you're fired! What I mean, this wouldn't have happened if you guys had done your job! Just listen to me! Stop lying! Dude, I thought you said you bought this! No, we didn't buy it! Now get off your lazy bus and go get me another grilled cheese deluxe! You're fired! No, you won't! You be nice to your brother or you're fired! No, you don't! Keep slacking! I'll take that. I don't know what's been going on here or why you two jokers have my book, so you had better clean this mess up starting now or you're both fired! What? In there for hours! Now we're never gonna make it to the dealership in time! It closes in 30 minutes!
We're sorry. We didn't know it was daytime. There aren't any windows in the arcade.
Excuses! Excuses! How am I supposed to trust you when all you give me are excuses? When are you two gonna learn that your actions have consequences? Consequences that affect other people, like me! Don't you two understand? I'm about to lose my job! You may not care about keeping your jobs, but I care about keeping mine! Cause if I lose my job, I have nothing! Do you hear me? I have nothing!
Your lips out.
You're fired! No, you won't! You be nice to your brother or you're fired!
That's what I'm gonna do.
I'll take that.
And then
I don't know what's been going on here. Why did you jokers have my book? So you have to clean this mess up starting now or you're both fired! What?
oh, what I lips out. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna gouge your eyes out.
President Barack Obama, and I just want to tell you I know how to beatbox. A little bit of, yeah.
No, Obama, you're doing it.
Command of the Third Reich! Little known fact, oh, so dope by somebody!
Get noisy.
Now you're not getting it for that. I'm not getting it for you for that.
Oh, you're gonna make me scream when I'm fun.
Yeah, I guess I am. Do it. Get louder because I'm not giving it to you.